Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est mercredi le 23 janvier. Aujourd'hui il fait très froid et il fait du soleil. So what did we do today in 4th, 6th, and 7th periods? Well, guess what? We did our warm-up. So let's look at our warm-up. All right, so this was our warm-up. What are the top 5 ranked French teams right now? And I allowed you to use your phones. If you had a favorite soccer team, what was it? And give me the name of your team, what country they're from, when's their next game, etc. If you had a favorite professional soccer player, why? And then basically everybody had to answer number 1. But if you didn't have an answer for numbers 2 or 3, that was fine. So when you looked up in your phones, you should have come up with these top 5. Paris Saint-Germain, Lyon, Saint-Étienne, Marseille, and Rennes. Okay, Paris Saint-Germain is the top number 1 team right now, the top number 1 soccer club. So we did this, and then for 4th period, we for 4th period, we shared our sentences that we were supposed to write. The one that we had to write in the negative, saying that we weren't going to do something this summer. And we also started an activity where we started off with, there were 3 levels to the activity, and we started off with the first level, and then once you did that one correctly, then you moved up to the 2nd level. And it's all on how it's practice in making sentences in the near future using aller. So, pardon, excusez-moi. So we did that in 4th period, but we're also going to continue that tomorrow because we didn't get a chance to finish. 6th period, we didn't even start. And 7th period, we didn't start. So 6th and 7th, that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow. But today we just did that, and it was an in-class activity. So when you come back, you can do it during power hour if you need to. I'm more than happy to help you. So that is what we did today. Au revoir, bon après-midi.